What's up guys, welcome to the internet Moola again. In this new YouTube video I am going to show you how to download and install Camtasia Studio 2023. So the first thing, open Google or the link that you're gonna find in the description below this video. After that, type in Google download Camtasia Studio 2023 and you're gonna find the first official website. Click on the website and then click free download. After that, choose the version. For example, like if you use Windows laptops, click download Win. If you use Mac, click download Mac. So for me, I'm gonna choose download Windows. After that, wait. You're gonna see the exe file here in the download history. Wait a few minutes. Now as you can see, the file is done. We're gonna open the exe file now. So I already bought the version of Camtasia. I don't have to buy it again, but for you, you have to buy the license if you want the program for a long time. But if you want to just use it for like a week or something, you can have like 3 days trial, and then they give you like a 3 days trial, and then you have to buy the software. So you can choose. And as you guys can see here, Sarah Black Camtasia is currently in use because like I'm recording this video for you guys. The installation is very easy. All you have to do is click next and choose the location of the software, and that's it. So that's it for this video. If you like this video or like small tutorial, click on the like button, subscribe on our YouTube channel to get more tutorials. Thank you guys for watching this video.